Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to Humboldt University of Berlin as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then we're going to be heading over to HUCMS account activation. That is HUCMS account activation. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then tap on the first link. Scroll down and then tap on the online form link. Zoom in if you're on a mobile browser and then hit further. Zoom in one more time and then follow the on-screen instructions by accepting the terms of use to first activate your account. After which you can head over to the search bar one more time and then type in HUCMS login and then hit go or enter on your keyboard and tap on the first link. You can enter your HU account along with your HU password, which is just activated, and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.